Okay, let's solve it. A minus 2c, I'm not sure, no. They should have given a minus over here, I guess. But let's see. So I'll square it. So then I'll get 1a minus 2c, then I get 9 plus 2 plus 6 root 2.
Yes, sir.
I can say that a is 11 and root b is minus 6 root 2. b would be equal to 36 into 2, which is 72. So square root of a square minus b will be 121 minus 72. That would be 7. So, I mean, whenever you get this, then you got to get rid of the square root first. You square it, then this will be 9 plus 2 plus 2ab. Then you compare the rational and irrational part. So this will be 11. And then root b will be minus 6 root 2. Then we need a square minus b. So you got to square it again. So then you get 72. And then when you solve this, is what you get.